Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with First Republic Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding how to budget effectively is essential for managing your finances. First Republic Bank offers a comprehensive approach to budgeting. Gather all necessary financial documents, including bank statements, bills, and income records. Identify your total monthly income. This includes your salary, freelance work, and any other sources of revenue. Next, list all your monthly expenses. Categorize these expenses into fixed and variable. Fixed expenses may include rent, mortgage, and insurance. Variable expenses could be groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once you have your income and expenses outlined, calculate your net income. This is the difference between your total income and total expenses. If your expenses exceed your income, it's time to make adjustments. Review your variable expenses and identify areas for potential cuts. Consider setting financial goals for both the short and long term. Short-term goals may include saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Long-term goals often involve saving for a home or retirement. Create a budget that reflects these goals. First Republic Bank offers tools and resources that can assist in this process. Utilize their budgeting calculator to see how different spending levels affect your finances. Set up a separate savings account specifically for your goals. This can make it easier to track your progress. It's important to monitor your budget regularly. Review your spending at the end of each month. Make adjustments as needed based on your financial situation. Communicate any financial changes with your family or household members. Discussing budgeting matters openly can foster a supportive environment. Consider setting a recurring time each month to review and adjust your budget. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.